Good morning all, this is Devi. Welcome back to my channel Roaming Devi. You can see beautiful landscape and mountain behind me. That's the Langeberg mountain. I am at a beautiful place which is one of the third oldest city in South Africa, which is named as Swellendam. And this city is almost 2.5 hours drive from Cape Town. I plan to stay in this city for a couple of days where I will be moving here and there in this small town, and it is very beautiful. The Langeberg mountain is really beautiful. I am going to show you the place where I'm going to stay, and I have a very nice a balcony from where I can see the beautiful mountain. And you can see this is the farming land where you can see a lot of cows and they're grazing here, and really I'm excited to, and very it's very beautiful to watch this greenery belt of this part of this country. This is in the Western Cape, and it has almost 50 heritage sites. I will not cover all those sites, but I'll just have a peaceful and enjoy the nature here in this place. This is one of the beautiful small town which was in my list quite some time, but I didn't get a chance to come here. Finally I got a chance, and I'm going to stay for another 2 nights here, and I'll enjoy the surrounding here. So keep watching my videos, and as usual, if you like my video, please hit a subscribe button, and for your future videos also. And also, if you like these videos, you can put a like button, and yes, your comments are very precious to me. It's going to really help me to be a good YouTuber, and also my videos will be really liked by a lot of people. Most of the buildings are of Cape Dutch architectural buildings. So I hope I will take some of the shots of that, although I have a very less time to stay here. But believe me, it really matched to my taste, because this is what I really love in my life. In the mountain with greenery patch, with mist. This is just awesome. This is a Dutch Reformed church in Swellendam. It was originally built at 1802. Then it was demolished, and the original building was demolished. Now it was rebuilt again in 1910. It is written on the board. So that's why the church is a new church. Built in 1910, and still it is existing. And this is one of the beautiful attractions spot in Swellendam. But the church is still using the old beams of those, the old, which was demolished church actually. The new church is using the old beams of that old church which was built in 1802, and still it is there. And in this new church it is still exists, the old beams are still exist. Today the church is closed, probably it is a holiday, that's why the church is closed. If you can go inside, and you can see the old antique, the furniture also there. And you can even see some photographs of those old, when the old church was there, those days the photographs are still present in this newly built church, which was built in 1910. So this is the beauty of this church. So if you are coming to Swellendam, then make sure that you also visit this church, which is also one of the attraction in Swellendam. I hope you have enjoyed my video on Swellendam, and there are other videos about this place which you can see on the tags on the right hand side of this video corner. So I'm going to stop this vlogging. Swellendam is a small town where it's good to stay for 3-4 days, and you can enjoy various places here. I mean, you can see the Langebar mountain, the beautiful mist in the morning, and the greenery. It's very peace and calm and quiet and very soothing. If when you get up in the morning and you hear the bird sound, and it's really beautiful. So don't forget to click the subscribe button to see the future videos, and hit a like button, and so stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.